This is lesson 22, still in the Alfred book on page 47. I should have mentioned this on the previous lesson that we skipped a couple pages. That's because I wanted you to learn the F chords with the right hand first, because that new technique of just moving your whole hand like that, I think that's a lot easier than the other way. We'll go back after these couple pages and do it the F chords with the left hand. Let's quick review. We have our C chords, C, E, G, 1, 3, 5. There's our good old G7, back to C. And here's the F, also 1, 3, 5, but now it's C, F, A, because we keep our thumb on the C all the time. 3 and 5, move up, back to C. Here we go, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, G7, C, F, C, and then there's a repeat, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to put those chords to use with the song When the Saints Go Marching In. The melody is in the left hand, the bass clef, all the way through the song. The right hand is going to be doing the chords. And the chords are just going to be like an accompaniment to the melody. I'm going to play through the whole thing right now. Here we go. I'm going to have to count it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then we have 3 pickups. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. So these ties keep going over to 1. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 1. So we're going to start with the melody first. We're going to get that learned. We have to think about the counting with this. So we're going to be counting through those notes. And we just stay on the bass clef all the way through. Here we go. We'll do a little slower right now. 2, 3, 4, 1. C, E, F, G, 2, 3, 4, 1. C, E, F, G, 2, 3, 4, 1. C, E, F, G, E, C, E, D, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. E, D, C, C, E, G, G, F, E, F, G, E, D, D, C. When you're working out little bits and pieces of this, you can slow it down, but really if you take it too slow, then who knows how long those are going to be, and it's going to feel real awkward. So keep it moving, and eventually you'll be able to play it faster. But the tempo we did right there hopefully be a good one to start on for the melody. Now we're going to go to the right hand, treble clef, with the chords. So we have 2, 3, 4, rest, chord, 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 chord. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. We get to here. Left hand's going to play 1, chord on 2, left hand 3, chord on 4. That's going to be the same pattern for the next 2 measures. That's going to happen a few times in the piece. And then finally, we've had all these C chords. Now we get to do G7s for 1, 2, 3, 4 times. We have 4 G7s. Then we play C's again. And now we have 1, 2, 3 F chords. So that's a little different. The rhythm is just different there. Here with this G7, you have a quarter rest. Then 2, 3, 4, 1. With the F chords, you have to wait 2 beats. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. You really have to concentrate on that. That's something you'll probably be practicing a lot. Then we go back to C's, just like that measure. But then we go into G7s with that same pattern and finish off with C's. So here we go. I'm going to count off the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and then we count our rest. 2, 3, 4, 1, like that. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now, if you're practicing with another person, one thing you can do is one person can play the melody while the other person plays the chords. So let's just do that right now. I'm sorry. I'm going to do the melody. You're going to play the chords. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. Chord, 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 chord. 2, 3, 4, 1. Chord, 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 chord. 2, 3, 4, 1. Chord, 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 chord. Like that. Now, when you're practicing on your own, you can go back to the first recording I had where I'm playing all by myself, and you can play just the melody with me or just the chords with me while I'm playing the whole thing. It's another way of doing it. So, let's start talking about putting this together. A lot of it has to do with the counting. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's just do this right here. Ready? Left hand, go. G, E, C, E, D. Those are nice long half notes. Now we're going to add the chords. Ready? Go. G, E, C, E, D. The trick is to not to do G, not to stop your hands in between, but hold down the G, E, C, E, D. Let's do that together. Ready? Go. G, E, C, E, D. Then the same thing here. Ready? Go. C, C, E, G, E, F. That different rhythm. All right? So that should about do it. So let's do it together one more time. Remember, the first time I recorded it, I didn't say anything. I'm going to say things as we go this time. But when you're practicing and you get down to it, then go back to the beginning of this where I'm just playing without saying a word. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 1. C, E, F, G. C, E, F, G. C, E, F, G. E, C, E, D. G7. E, D, C, C, E, G, G, F, F chords. E, F, G, E, G7s, D, D, back to C. And then eventually you'll be able to go